Exploring the world was supposed to be the ultimate freedom, but the planning phase usually turns into absolute chaos. Endless tabs, confusing algorithms, and hidden fees. It is time to end the chaos and architect your travel the smart way. Flights, hotels, high-speed trains, and car rentals. An all-in-one ecosystem designed for every traveler, on any budget. Whether you are crossing mountains on a European bullet train or checking into a minimalist sanctuary in Tokyo, feel the power of Trip.com. From navigating remote coastal roads to securing the ultimate flight deal, you dictate the rules, not the hidden algorithms. At Tickets Hunters, we have decoded the Trip.com ecosystem. We engineered the blueprint for securing the best direct deals globally. Leave the chaos behind. Start traveling smart. Read the definitive 2026 Global Booking Review at ticketshunters.com.